Hi and welcome to session 5. One of the biggest barriers to focus is multitasking. That's right, many people believe that multitasking makes them more efficient, but the fact is that the mind can only focus on one task at a time. Now, in the last session, as you shifted focus between the sound and the breath, you must have noticed how one perception faded away as you brought your focus to the other. And so during multitasking, you only have the illusion of doing two things at the same time. In fact, what is really happening is that the brain has to switch rapidly from one task to another, and its power is split between two activities. So if you want to focus, stop multitasking and bring your full attention to a single task. As the old Zen saying goes, when walking, walk. When eating, eat. Do one thing at a time, and you'll experience greater productivity and happiness. So let's continue the practice today. Sitting down comfortably, take a few slow, deep breaths. Breathing in deeply and exhaling slowly. And allowing your breathing to return to its natural rhythms. Gently close your eyes and bring your focus to the contact between body and chair. Notice and experience the full weight of your body. Notice the weight of your hands in the lap. Noticing the contact of feet on the floor. Now notice your mood. How restless or relaxed does your mind feel today? Not trying to change anything, just noticing. Moving your attention now to your breath, to the rising and falling of the abdomen. Experience the sensations at each moment. Now you're going to hear the sounds of the singing bowl. And as you do so, gradually shift your focus away from the breath to the sounds. Sensations of breath fading away, focusing completely on the sounds. moving your focus back to the breath, to the rising and falling. And moving your focus back to the sound. Keep checking in on your mind and put in just enough effort to stay focused. If the mind moves away, notice the movement and bring your focus back. And moving your attention back to the breath, to the rising and falling of the abdomen. Noticing once again the contact of body on the chair. Notice any light shining through the eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes. I hope you got a sense today that focus can be quite effortless, especially if you're immersed in what you're noticing. So before the next session, notice and stop any multitasking. Practice bringing your focus to one thing and one thing only. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the results. In the next session, we are going to go deeper into the experience of the sounds as you take another step towards effortless focus. So have a wonderful day, and I look forward to seeing you back for session 6.